What's good, people? It's your boy Trill. Now, just got done doing potato snips. But right now, that was for Fresh Greens Market. Trill Farms too, but for Trill Farms, in this initiation, we are going to be harvesting yellow dog. Now here at this farm, this yellow dog, goldenrod, valerian, they grow wildly, freely, and for profit. So I'm gonna be taking these roots here in the sweet potato lane on a row, and I'm just gonna harvest. I'm gonna start chopping it up, sell, jewelry. All right, folks. So that's it for today. Battery's finna die. Yellow dog. Now some of these will be getting planted, so I can curate and be my own scientist. Shut that. One of my favorites. They all my favorites. They all my babies. Drink your water. Drink your water that has electrolytes. Alright. Now I gotta show y'all the last one because I ain't recorded that. See how long that is? The deeper and the closer that it gets to the core of the earth, the healthier. I learned that from someone. It's a fact. Let's go to the other one, extra long. Yeah. This right here has a bunch. I don't want to put the dirt in the machine, obviously. Clog it up. Just want to get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. Chopping the heads off with the little pieces right there. Chop the tops. Now we can chop the tops. Grow our own. Put them in nature. Because it's going to do its thing regardless of what I do or what I want it to do. It's going to do its thing. Might as well go with the flow. Again, the leaves do have health properties, but I'm not dealing with them today. My thing is the root, getting to the root of things. Son, look at that gold. Man. There's the sunshine. Right? Shout out to the Most High. Praise be to the Most High. It's probably the most clothes y'all seen me wear. Yeah, this yellow dog is gonna be real good. And I just left from the health store here, Healthwise, Atlanta Highway, right next to Faulkner, between East My Church and Faulkner. They haven't read up on a yellow dock in a few months. And I told them that I would have something ready. And I went up there and talked to my homegirl. I said, hey, I got like God's abundance amount. She's like, oh, I think people been asking for it too. Because the jar's been empty. Having it on deck. Wholesale and retail. Saying, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So, as we doing this, here's today's philosophy. Outside is pretty and it's nice, and it has health benefits, and it's cool, and there may be problems, but the problems can be solved. Get to the root. Now, that has nothing to do with the plant, but I'm just talking about philosophically. Gotta get to the root of things if you want anything to finish or accomplish. But truly solved without the extra BS. It's a lot going on right now. You know what I'm saying? Keep your energy right. get to the root of things, doing your due diligence and your own research. All right, I'm gonna give an example on this. Doing your own due diligence and research, you're able to solve problems at a quicker and faster rate. And your connection with source, people, and with everything that's going on, it's just much more better. Much more better. It's just better life and a better way of living. Get to the root of things so you don't have to play the fucking game. Like, it's already a game. Alright, so this one is a little older. It's had one with big leaves. This is a younger one, closer to the same maturity rate as far as thickness. But we don't want to give anybody none of that. I'm trying to say the coochie, not impale it. Or not trash, but you know. Yeah, getting to the root of things. You'll be able to see the things that are at the surface of like, oh, it wasn't that bad. Yeah, but you get to that root, things just more simple. And it comes to simplified life and way of being. Just get to the root, get to the source. That's why I'm on plant-based / vegan. I saw What the Health in 2017, July 2017, and it just made sense of the energy transfer. Why would I want to get secondhand energy from a cow, a chicken, a fish? And I know everybody eat different. I don't judge because I used to eat that shit. I used to cook that shit. It's just good, you know what I'm saying? But as far as where I'm at spiritually, I just want Yah. That's it. Just Yah. Yahweh, Yahweh. That's it, man. Shit else. I don't do shit else but what God tells me to do and all the good shit. You know what I'm saying? Because anything else, it just be extra, and I really just don't be wanting to deal with it. I won't deal with it. To the root, man. So this was good. I'll just break it up. Gotta get it in the machine. Dirt off. Alright, this must have been at the one I got over there. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, got our roots. Nothing missing, nothing. The tops, I'm gonna do a little experiment with the tops. Some of them just gonna throw them back to nature to do it again. You know what I'm saying? God make this shit easy, man. It go back to the watchtower shit. Like, if you want to be a lighthouse, look up. Make sure the message is not refracted as you're looking down. That's that ego shit. Not ego tripping. On the I, man. The identity, not the ego. Yeah. Swig. So as you can see, it's not much. Yeah. I'll call them unfavorable. Unfavorable leaves that are loose and the weak things. You gotta talk to your plants now, even when you chop them now. They got feelings. They know what they're doing too for what it is, and we appreciate it. Always talk like that. You ever seen Avatar. Avatar ain't nothing but people that look like me on this country, Tom Mary, Little Turtle Island, whatever you want to call it, or Africa. That's not Africa. This is a Mexican, or Tamari, or Little Turtle Island. That's a Kebulon. I'll Kebulon. Ah, enough of the history lesson. Get this thing popping. Third time's the charm. Down to see. Hey, getting full. Yeah. Alright, we got clean eye. Just a tad. So that it's good next time. Dragon Ball Z. It's all golden. Ooh. The gold of God. Again, it's the yellow dot. Iron components. Or iron catalysts. Help the iron in the body that's already there. But look at that. Pure gold. Pure gold. Teas. I'll make tinctures. Hit me on the email, hit me on the website. If you're in the gump, hit me up, DM, or go to HealthWise and get it. I don't care how you get it. Heal yourself. Healing coming from the earth mind. It's from the Most High. Praise be to the Most High. Peace, not apart, together. Love. And you're going to see these buckets too one time. After the first one, I'm done. First one, I'm done. Lives don't count. When you feel to jump off. Tripping. It's not me, the ball. It's the ball. Come on. Cold. Cold world we live in. Now it's piecing out apart together.